On. Recording. That's it. Well done, Poppy. It's really hard work. Okay. Well done. Do it then, Poppy. I say, well done, darling. Get it ready for the net. Wiggle up. That's it. Well done. Well done, Poppy. Yes. Well done. No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet, Poppy. Well done. Good. Well done. Tell me.
Oh, one please.
What?
One's been squished.
All right then. So I wait.
What was it for?
Yeah. Tell me something. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Hey. Well.
Yum yum.
Stop it. There you go.
So turn it over now?
Not yet, not yet.
Yeah.
Well done. Carl, can you explain what this is? What have you done?
What do you mean? How to make them?
Yeah, what have you done? What have you done to it?
Well, we've got the mincemeat and the mincemeat and the like herbs and the stuff and the onions and the garlic, and we mix it all together. Then we roll them into balls. Got the breadcrumbs as well, and then we roll them in flour a little bit. Then we made the sauce, which is cooking the tomatoes in the saucepan and letting it simmer. Then we put these in the saucepan, in the frying pan even.
You're doing well. Doing very well, Poppy. Very well. That's it, put some leg into it. Don't pick them. Well done. You're working well on the pressure, aren't you? Yeah? You're working well on the pressure.
Under pressure.
Well, you are, aren't you? Because you've got the mastering here. Well done. I don't pick your nose at the same time.
I was joking, I went like that.
Yeah, stop it. Okay, just give it a minute. Then take the top off. No, listen. It's not hot.
4 minutes.
Is it? Oh, okay. Bring it over there. Stir it. Gently. Gentle.
Look at them.
Okay. Put it down. Give it once in there, Poppy, please.
Ow.
Don't rush. Well done. Yeah, well done, Poppy. Brilliant. Well done, darling. Well done. Good. You know what to do next? Okay. Alright, put some of those in there. No, no, no. I told you gentle, gentle, gentle. No, no, gentle, look, gentle.
It's easier
Look,
for me to
Abby,
do this.
stop it. Gentle, look, gentle.
Easier.
Okay. No, 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 you can't do that. Gentle. On the side, Puppet, look.
It's easier for me to do this.
Okay, go with it.
On the side like that.
No, you're dropping in it.
Ah!
Well, don't throw that away.
I'm not going to.
Can you try? Oh, leave it, leave it. No, no, that's it.
I was going to do that.
That's it, that's it, that's it. Well done, Puppy. Yeah! Give us a smile then. Cheers. Oh, gosh. No, 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 no.
There's
Just
nothing in it.
I know there's nothing in there, but just in
Oh,
case.
there's beer in it.
Oh, oh, let me suck it. Hmm. Right. Well done. Puppet. Cheers then. Right. So, what are we doing next?
That's a flip then.
What are we doing next when we finish this? We tied up.
Yeah.
Well, you are.
Well,
And,
we start turning up now.
No, 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 no. Wait a minute.
No,
wait.
just put them in
I'm
there.
filming.
Put them
You know,
in there.
I can't do two things in one.
No, me.
Okay then. Now, wait a
What should
minute.
I do with the rest of this flour?
Ah, see how much of flour we got here. You've got enough to take with you. Well, that's not good, is it?
No.
So nice and gentle. Put them in there, the rubber spoon. That's it. Well done. Okay. You need this. You need all this at the moment. Okay.
Yeah. Can I
So.
start to turn them over now?
Yeah, turn it on. Yeah. So they're doing that. You know what to do. Well done. You're doing well. You're picking. Don't. Make the fork work. Okay. Well done. No, 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 don't do that. Yeah? Well done. Well done, Puppy. Whoa, right, yeah. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Yeah? Okay then, we've got 8 minutes here, Puppy. Okay, give us a smile. Okay.
And this is how you do it.
Yeah. 8 minutes. Puppy.
I didn't.
Right. Yeah, you're doing very well, Puppy. Well done, darling. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Then we can watch this if you like, Puppet, in a minute.
On the TV?
Yeah, before we watch this one, yeah. We've got to take, I think it's done, but we watch it done with the loop. You know,
yeah.
no.
Oh.
Never mind.
Right, so tell me with that.
Go the other way, Dan. Bring it around, yeah. Okay.
You say what? Next I'm going to put them in the...
Not yet.
No, next I said.
Well, yeah, but you're doing well.
Just let them...
You're going to do something your mother hasn't done. You know that? Mummy hasn't done that yet. It takes too long. Ain't got the time.
Want to do some filming?
Yes, you can do some filming, darling. What do you need? Drinking if you like.
Taster. Good? Bellissimo.
Mamma mia, bellissimo. You're Italians anyway.
Turn them.
Muy bueno, muy bueno.
I need to turn them quick.
Good. 1 minute.
Ah!
Alright then. Come on then. Turn it. No, pop it. Some of those haven't been cooked properly. No, do it properly. Don't. Do it properly. Do it properly. Okay then, put them in there then.
Yeah?
Put it burning up. Gentle, use the fork to hold it. And don't rush again.
I'm not rushing.
Yes, you are. Don't be sloppy happy, okay? Just take your time, okay, when you're cooking. God, dear, anybody think it's just a hot up a meal? Okay. Well,
Not on the food.
what do you mean on the food?
No burping near the food.
Come on, half a mile away. You alright, Monty? Right, come on. Can you smell it, eh? Smell it? Me? Hey, albondigas, eh? Now, right. This is albondigas.
And this is albondigas.
Not meatballs.
Not meatballs.
Say that again properly.
This is albondigas,
Look at me.
not meatballs.
Well done, Poppy. Don't, just
I'm not
look,
squishing
like
it.
that, look,
I wasn't
like
squishing
this,
it.
like this.
Yes, I am. I'm doing
No.
it gently. I am.
Please.
I am.
Right?
I am.
Right. That's it. Don't touch anymore. Don't touch it anymore. Put the top in there.
And
Right.
now you let them simmer for 10 to 15 minutes.
And the rest, half an hour.
Half an hour.
Okay?
Make them nice and soft.
Okay, and that is
Albondigas,
not meatballs.
not meatballs.